No matter which city you're in, what kind of vehicles you're manufacturing, or which key drivetrain components you're looking for, you need a perfect R&D and production partner. Currently, all the world-class car manufacturers use their drivetrain components.
HOTA不只帮客户设计生产，也帮客户来做最快速的研发，以及最高效率的做样品。
我们现在所使用的都是世界最顶级的机械设备，所以我们HOTA加工出来的品质也都是达到世界一流的品质。
Located in central Taiwan Industrial Park in Taichung City, where environmental assessment is highly valued, HOTA not only has acquired international certification in quality systems, but also in corporate social responsibility, carbon footprint, and greenhouse gas inventory. To outperform customers' expectations, every gear has to go through a set of sophisticated machining processes using the latest advanced manufacturing and inspection equipments.
我们的设备是跨领域的，所以他们对我们的投入，对我们做了那么多的产品，他更有信心。
Entering the production floor, what first catches your eyes is this high-precision CNC lathe that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to process raw materials out of forging into a rough shape of the shafts being manufactured. Then the shafts are sent to the next process, spline rolling. This is an entirely automated process, achieving the customer's original spline design specifications. The finished shafts have to withstand the risk of breaking under high RPM and high torque. Therefore, they have to go through an induction heat treatment process that reaches 1000 degrees Celsius instantly to give them the required hardness.
高周波的主要的功能是让它表面去硬化，因为我们不管是轴类或者齿轮类，在变速箱里面或者在减速齿轮箱里面，它的骤动需要是 耐磨性要高，所以它表面会很硬，但心部是软的，这样的话它的韧性、强度都会好。
The carburizing heat treatment system in the plant works the same magic. Then, a series of precision machining processes such as straightening, grinding, polishing, ultrasonic cleaning, and anti-rust prevention will be applied to further refine the product to fit customer specifications. In addition to drivetrain components, HOTA develops and mass produces essential machines for gear making, including gear hobbing machine, shaving machine, and chamfering machine. These machines are not only produced to benefit HOTA, but also exported to other technically advanced industrial countries. Moreover, there's a wide variety of cutting-edge machines, such as electronic beam welding machine and laser cutting and welding machine, to enhance HOTA's manufacturing capability. There you are, a perfectly made gear in front of you. Just when you think you have seen it all, well, think again. The key that won HOTA the trust of all these global automakers is this final precision process, gear grinding. It's done with this precision gear grinding machine. This grinding process that achieves precision as fine as 1/10 the thickness of a hair effectively improves the quality of the transmission and minimizes noise. To make every gear perfect, what impresses top customers is the employees' attention to details and the meticulous quality inspection in every process, in addition to the advanced production and inspection equipments. Every HOTA employee is very careful with each part, worrying that even a very tiny dent will create noise when installed in a transmission. HOTA makes no compromise for quality standard and therefore constantly upgrades and invests in the latest innovative technology to meet customers' specifications and criteria. All these high-precision manufacturing and inspection equipments are there to make customers around the world recognize the quality of HOTA's products and in turn strengthen their trust and confidence in HOTA. In the bright exhibition area, there are dozens of trophies and citations from governments and customers. These are not only the recognition and gratitude of customers, but also represent HOTA's insistence on self-improvement. HOTA has a database where more than 50 years of technical know-how is stored, and that's what makes HOTA capable of proposing a simpler process with the same quality requirements as soon as customers' design drawings are received. This is also why customers worldwide know they are in good hands working with HOTA.
我们公司的研发团队在接单的过程中扮演非常重要的角色。我们在产品初期设计的阶段，就会跟客户做非常密集的技术研讨，让未来产品在量产的时候，不但能够维持客户原本的构想跟功能，那在生产面上更能符合我们实际的需求，这样能够避免产品设计过于理想化，而在生产面上却是不符实际，导致成本及不良率过高的状况。
HOTA works hard to meet the delivery schedule by expediting every machining process. Important production equipments imported from Japan or Germany have since been replaced by a series of self-developed manufacturing equipments for precision gear making.
原来我们要跟日本、德国买设备，大概交期要1年，那这个有时候会耽误到我们的生产，所以我们自己做3个月就可以把它赶出来了。每一台专门生产1种零件，它永远不要换刀，我想这也是一个很大的优势啦。
Also, there is this fully automatic robotic arm developed to improve production efficiency, quality, and stability.
最近我们组装一台，包括中心加工机跟 MO 机连线的一个自动生产线。这一套设备我只要使用2个人，可以省下4个人，而且精度、品质都可以确保。
The persistence and continuous improvement is what touches HOTA's customers, ensuring that HOTA is still the perfect R&D and manufacturing partner for every drivetrain component. HOTA has kept its core technology from the beginning of its motorcycle making days. With this, HOTA now turns its attention to the development of transportation aids and apparatus for medical uses.
那我认为说，现在的老人社会已经来临，我想对云老师的关怀跟云老师的生活所需要的东西，我们必须要投注更大的心力跟关怀。
It exists for the sole purpose of making a top set of drivetrain system. HOTA insists on using the best and most advanced equipments to ensure the highest quality of every part for every vehicle being installed. HOTA is committed to developing the highest quality parts and fulfilling customers' needs by constantly putting itself in the shoes of customers and society. HOTA asks every employee to pay attention to every small detail and overcome every challenge ahead of them.